ever heard them say that the money is in the list? Well, what they seem to leave out is how to build a list that actually pays you. Why would they do that? Well, because they're selling you a result. As long as you get people on your list, they sold good info. Just goes to show you how easy list building can be, but if you're building the wrong type of list, you're never going to make a real income. What do you think would happen if you had a list building playbook made by 5 7-figure marketers? What if you could sit down with them and ask them what they do to build their lists? The only catch is they can't tell you what they tell everybody else. They can only reveal their secret methods that made them 7-figure earners. Do you think that would dramatically improve your chances at building a profitable list and achieving your goals?
Hey there, welcome to List Mastery. My name is Bill Hugel. On behalf of myself and Peter, my partner, I'd like to thank you for stopping by this page. Now, what the hell am I doing in the kitchen? Well, the truth of the matter is I work from wherever I want to, and you're going to learn how to do that too in just a minute. So I'm not going to take up too much of your time. I just want to give you some quick ideas and understanding of what List Mastery is. Now, Peter came to me with this amazing product. What he did was he went out and he sat down with 5 7-figure marketers who have all made their living and significant incomes building their list, simply with using their list. What they do is they send out an email, they make a whole bunch of money, and they want to show you how to do the exact same thing. Now, that probably isn't enough for most people. So what Peter did was he went out on top of the interviews, which contain videos, so you can watch the wonderful dialogue, you can pick up some cool things, and you can kind of see some stuff. Well, who doesn't like an interview with like 7-figure earners? And he's also created the audio, so while you're on your way to work or you're doing whatever you're doing, you can also listen and actually learn even though you're not sitting at your computer. And then what he's done, so when you are at your computer, is he's created cheat sheets. So what you do is you take these cheat sheets from each of the 5 7-figure marketers, you apply what you learn, you get to work building your list, and that's about it. Now, I know that sounds really, really simple, but when you have a list, you have the ability to control your own traffic and control your own income. Now, the one thing that you're going to hear on the internet from some of the talking heads is that, oh, you don't need to have a list. You don't need to have a list. You can do this. You can do that. And the truth is, there's 100 million different ways to make an income on the internet. And even the guys who are telling you you don't need to build a list, they sell you a product. Do you know why they sell you a product? Because they want to get you on their list so they can promote you in the future. Crazy, right? So if you're sick and tired of being that person that is always getting the emails, opening the emails, and pulling out their bank card, and you'd actually like to be able to just use some of the business money and the income and the profits and the revenue you generate to build your list and to build your business and take a vacation and buy the car and get the kids the coolest Christmas presents or take your girlfriend out or boyfriend out on that date, then scroll down the page, check out everything we've got in store for you, and see if List Mastery isn't right for you. Look, I'm not going to tell you that you need to have this in your business, but if you don't have a list, you're dead in the water. Now, what better way to build a list than by taking the advice of 5 7-figure earners? So look, I'm done here. That's it. I'm not going to go on and pitch you because I got life living to do. I'm in the kitchen. Obviously, I got to go make breakfast or something. Anyways, that said, look, if you want to build your list, you want to get on the right side of the traffic, and you want to be the person in control of your destiny, you're the one who decides how much money you make. You're the one who decides when you get your traffic and how you build your list. Then go ahead, read all the cool details and stuff that we've got in store for you with List Mastery. Then click the link below, because honestly, this is probably the lowest price you're ever going to see. Not probably, this is the lowest price you're ever going to see it at, because we've got it rising, and after launch week, it's going to go up to a flat $27. And there's not going to be a pro and a light version, which you'll see when you get down below. There is today. There's only going to be one version, and it's going to be worth even 10 times more than when we set the price up higher at 27 bucks. So you're getting a screaming deal today, and you're sitting down with 5 7-figure marketers and exploring their business and their list building. So if that's something that sounds interesting to you and you would like to learn from the pros, people who have been paid to travel and speak around the world, then you're going to want to click that button below this video right now and lock in your spot for List Mastery. Later.